Handycoat Lite Exterior is a ready-mixed filler used for skimming surfaces and as a patching compound for filling wall holes, joints, and repairing hairline cracks. Its special lightweight formula makes the product up to 30% lighter than conventional fillers, at the same time ensuring high strength, easier sanding, and exceptional weather resistance. This video shows an application process of Handycoat Lite Exterior for patching, crack repairing, and skimming of the exterior facade wall. For this application, you need a scraper, a spatula, a sanding block, and a brush. Ensure dust, dirt, and foreign matter are brushed away. And remove ridges and form oil. When applying Handycoat Lite Exterior to old painted surface, first wash it down with soda water solution rinse and allow to dry. To stabilize a surface which shows signs of dusting or flaking, it is recommended to use a penetrating primer or Terraco solution. Mix the material to a uniform consistency, adding a small amount of water if required. For patching and filling honeycomb in concrete surfaces, apply a backfilling coat of Handycoat Lite Exterior to fill all surface irregularities. For crack repair, firstly open the crack, apply a coat of penetrating primer, and apply 2 coats of Handycoat Lite Exterior to fill the crack. For skimming, place a small amount of Handycoat Lite Exterior on a spatula and apply it in a thin layer of approximately 1 mm to achieve a smooth, even surface. Apply in 1 or 2 coats depending on surface conditions. Allow to dry fully. Sanding of Handycoat Lite Exterior should be done directly after the surface has dried. No priming is required before painting. And that's it. Handycoat Lite Exterior comes with special lightweight formula. It is weather resistant and has high strength. It is much lighter than conventional fillers, making it easier to carry and reducing stress on the body.